Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by preparing skin and tools so the actual threading is safe. Clean the area, brush hairs into place, and mark 3 reference points: start, arch, tail. Cut a 12 to 16-inch cotton thread and form a secure double knot, leaving 2 loops you can twist. Once done, position the lower loop under the hair row and the upper loop above. Make sure to hold the ends with steady tension while you test a short twisting motion to trap a few hairs. You now move into the core threading motion, where control matters. Anchor 1 loop near your thumb and rotate the center twist using your index and middle fingers about 4 to 6 times so the twist forms a grabbing coil. Once done, glide the twist across the hairline and pull swiftly to remove 3 to 6 hairs per pass. Make sure to follow your pencil guide for symmetry. Keep tension even and work small sections to preserve shape and reduce redness as you proceed. You finish by removing remaining strays and refining the outline with single hair precision, stepping back often to check balance. Once done, soothe the area with aloe or a cold compress and avoid makeup for 6 to 8 hours to reduce irritation. If things go wrong, such as bleeding or raised bumps, apply direct pressure, then ice and an antiseptic. Stop threading if redness or pain worsens. Finally, make sure to clean and store your thread and tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.